In our business, the construction business, obviously insurance is a huge undertaking and one we take very seriously. And really managing the relationship between us and the insurance company is a big factor for our business, and we chose who we chose because of the value of service they offer to us. But our company believes in giving back to our community, and we believe our business partners should as well. And George McCarter and his family and the whole team at Pearson Dunn have that philosophy, and that's important to us, even more so than getting necessarily the best deal in the market. It all has to fit within our company philosophy, and we're very happy with how Pearson Dunn manages that part of their business. As a builder specifically, we sell communities, so if our communities that we're bringing forth are not well managed or well maintained or don't have a sense of caring for those who are less fortunate, it affects our business directly, but on a human level, it's just wrong. So it was ingrained in me by my parents and my grandparents, and actually my great-grandmother, all of whom were big contributors to their community service obligations, that's the right thing to do, and we try to do the right thing. What I appreciate most about Pearson Dunn Insurance is the personal service. I know who to call, I know the names, I know the faces, they're people in our community, and push comes to shove, I can get to the big boss and make sure that things get done the way, as a client, you would hope they're done. They've been very professional with us and very responsive. It's a great firm. Real people making insurance easy is a very appropriate tagline for a company like Pearson Dunn, because it's all about personal service, that industry, and they are real people, and as I mentioned, we know who they are, and we know their names, and we know their faces, and they're part of our community in a big way, so dealing with them makes you feel like it's not just lip service, that tagline is actually who they are and who they intend to be. You would hope that people who are friends and acquaintances of yours are eligible to receive the same service that you're happy with, and you wouldn't send them in the wrong direction. So I recommend Pearson Dunn to anybody who asks.